Good morning and welcome back to the Holiday Road Travel Vlog. We are super excited because we are in Wisconsin, DELLS, Wisconsin. This has been on our list for a long time. We just got here, drove the town. Looks like there's so many cool attractions. But first, we want to see a little bit of the nature. So we are doing the Upper DELLS boat tour, which has a couple exclusive stop-offs. Particularly, we want to see what's called Witches Gulch. So we're about to get tickets for the 10:30. They run the boat tours every hour and a half. And it looks like they go about 2 hours long, about 40 bucks per adult. So we're really excited. We're gonna start our morning here and explore what Wisconsin DELLS has to offer. Boat tour has 2 stop-offs along the way, and we're at the first one, which is Witches Gulch. And I actually have to admit, I saw this on a Facebook reel, like a TikTok. That's part of the reason why I plan to stop here. I don't think Deanna even knew that yet, but it's really, really cool and totally, I mean, it lives up to the hype. It's just as good as the videos. Stop number 2 features a pretty cool dog jump between 2 big cliffs of stone, and then just some more great views. But that's the last stop before we head back to where we started, into downtown Wisconsin DELLS. We just had the most amazing lunch at Max. Couldn't record in there because they were playing music, so it would have cut it on the video. But it was awesome, all mac and cheese themed dishes. It was great. We're walking up and down the Wisconsin DELLS Strip right now. First impressions, way cheaper than a lot of things similar to it. So you would pay about double what you would for things in Gatlinburg or Pigeon Forge versus here. So a lot of the attractions are $5, $6, $7. Food's relatively cheap. You can have a good time and not blow all your money real quick. So that's been nice. So unfortunate timing on our part. There's actually what's called the Automotion Car Show here in town today. So one of the shop owners told us that it's one of the busiest he's ever seen it in the Wisconsin DELLS. So not great for us, but we've escaped the hubbub just a little bit to a couple of walkthrough attractions that I've been wanting to do forever. If you know anything about me and our channel, I love really cheesy roadside attractions. Wisconsin DELLS has several of them. And in Wisconsin DELLS, instead of like 15, 20 bucks like Gatlinburg, Wisconsin DELLS are only $5 a piece. So the first one here is the Lost Temple. Because we've got Blakely, our little baby today, we're doing one at a time, so Deanna's going in first. Well,
it was so bad. It was good.
I can't wait to go.
Hello everyone, it's Paternal here. I'm sorry you have to look at my backside. I thought I had a rhapsody.
look like Indiana Jones, but not. Wow, I don't really know what to say about that. It seems like it was designed to be like a haunted house with live actors, and then they just pulled all the live actors out of it. So it ended up being this weird, like half empty, I don't know, it was worth $5. I mean, I'd do it if you got $5. Not gonna get that kind of entertainment anywhere else for $5. Time for walkthrough number 2, which is the Ghost Outpost. I've heard this one's a little better, so we'll see.
It's not so scary in here. I go in here all the time.
It is dangerous inside. Proceed with great caution. Now, little thing,
Okay, what is this supposed to be? I don't... Is he like throwing up, or is he taking the tub or the can, or is he putting it down? That one was actually kind of fun. I don't know, I was just getting like really like old school vibes, but it was a heck of a lot better than the haunted house you'd see at a carnival for $5. So.
I didn't go because I'm scared of haunted houses.
Yeah, I mean, there were no live actors again, but that one at least didn't look like there should be. That was a pretty self-sufficient. So yeah, I think the Ghost Outpost is a little bit better than the Lost Temple, but still, for $5 each, I think they're both worth doing. This might be the dumbest thing I've ever walked through in my life.
Be careful, or they'll lock you up too. The same thing they did with talking eagles and Bigfoot.
right, so let me walk you through the storyline of that attraction since Deanna didn't go with me.
Okay.
So basically, the White House somehow gets caught up in like a tornado. It lands upside down here in Wisconsin Dells. Well, then robots show up who are actually the Transformers, but not licensed Transformers because this place obviously could not afford the real license for that. In addition to Transformers, there's also Star Wars characters that show up as robots. Then, for some reason, they start digging for something that's not really explained what's going on there. And then you find out that behind the whole thing is the aliens from Roswell, New Mexico.
Wow. They really covered some ground there with pop culture.
Yeah. So, it was weird. That's all I can say about it. So, we, after we did the walk-through attractions, we went back to the hotel, took a breather, and then we just got dinner at Boring Qdoba, because we were kind of worn out, so didn't feel the need to film that. But now, we're at Timber Falls mini golf course. We've also noticed like 90% of everyone here is college kids, so I don't know what's going on or what's specifically special about this weekend. Also, a big auto show, so super crowded. We're still trying to figure out where all these people are coming from. So we're here in end of May, and it does look like the main waterfall is off, but it looks like it's really cool. It's still pretty without it, but it looks like with all that water coming through, it'll be absolutely breathtaking scenery.
Oh, what fun! I am good.
On what whole number?
1.
Part of the reason we chose this course is because the black course was stroller friendly, minimal stairs. I think there's been stairs between like every single hole now, so it's been a bit of an adventure getting Blakely up and down some of these holes, but we've made it so far. So, what'd you get?
3, and that was a really good time.
Nice. Stroller friendly. Mini golf, pros and cons. Pro, I won. Con, it was not stroller friendly at all. Pro, there was a fox right on the course. Really cool. You don't see this very often, so that was neat. Con,
It's really loud with all these cars.
yeah, whatever college thing is going on, it was like bonkers over there. Pro, it's great weather. Con, there were no goats. Normally there's a free petting zoo here and it wasn't in season.
Did you already say con to being no water running?
Yeah, we already talked about that. But, anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow, the next leg of our adventure, we're heading to Baraboo, Wisconsin to continue our adventures in this awesome state.